Dance is super important to me and it helps me express who I am as a person. It also keeps me in shape, keeps me healthy, keeps me in so many good, such a positive thing in my life. Without it, it's just, my soul would be empty. There's nothing else that can compare to the passion I have for it.
Zoe had what's called a hip arthroscopy, which is a minimally invasive procedure. You use a camera and small incisions, and the idea is you repair the structures that are damaged within the hip joint. And for Zoe, she had a labrum tear, so that was repaired with small sutures. In addition to that, the part of her hip that was pinching up against her labrum, and the term for that is hip impingement, that had to be reshaped to prevent any further damage. Thankfully, we have a very safe setup for doing so. Our surgery centers have all been doing standardized COVID testing, very quick to either delay or postpone surgeries if there's any chance of exposure. And then on the surgery day itself, it's quite safe. I think patients are starting to realize that as they're interacting more with their healthcare providers in 2021.
I love watching patients like Zoe because she came in really unable to do the things that she loves to do, and she is starting to take it back. She's gradually working her way back into competition, and you can see her joy in being able to get back to what she loves to do. I think it takes a really strong person to recognize that sometimes you have to really work through adversity to get yourself back to what you want to do, and she's embraced the process of rehab and worked so hard, and I couldn't be prouder of the effort that she's made and the attitude that she's brought.
So I started competing when I was 5, and I've been competing ever since, and now I'm 17. So it's been a really long journey, and it's been a fun one too. Dance is not an easy sport. It's super difficult, actually. We have to do all these things. There's lots of hard work, lots of hours, sweat, tears, blood, everything. Anything you can think of, it's probably because of dance. So there's lots of things. Now, after surgery, being able to dance again has been the best thing that's ever happened, because whenever I figured out that I had to have surgery, I didn't think that I would be able to dance as super fast as I could. And I didn't think it was going to be very well for me. But actually, it's gone a lot better than I thought it would be. And it just is super, it's such a blessing that I'm able to actually do what I love and not have the really bad pain that I did in the past.